Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to design your phone with the iOS 14 update. So this is how it looks. Has like these widget smith like things, and then you could design your app photos. So we're going to start off with how to, you can also get like Spotify thing. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to get these photos. So you have to add a widget any size you want, either large, medium, or small. And we're gonna choose medium for this one. So what you do is default widget, and then you choose how you want it. It could either have the time, so you could click whatever you want, or it could have the date. But you could also add photos. That's what most people do. And you click select photo, selected photo, and then you choose your photo from your camera roll. So I'll choose like that. And then what you do is you go here and then you save it. So then you do this and click that add button right there, and you're gonna search widget. So you're gonna go to widget smith and choose the size that you chose. So I chose the medium, and then it should normally get ready, but if it doesn't, then you hold it down and click edit widget, and then they have your options. Just click it till you find yours, and then that's how you do it. And then for the others, it's the same way. I'm going to teach you now how to do the apps. So first, you actually need to get the app shortcut. So you search up shortcut. This one right here. Shortcuts, yeah. So what you do is you click the add button right on the top right corner, and you click add action. Then you're going to choose the app scripting. So let me search that up. Okay, wait, actually you choose this one, I think. Yeah. Open app. And then you choose, okay, so I'm gonna choose like App Store. Okay, so I chose App Store, and now what you have to do is here, name it App Store or whatever you want it. I think you have to actually put this one as the real name. Literally can't see. Okay, so add to home screen, and then after you do that, you choose your photo. So you could take photo, choose one, and then you normally choose one and put like your photo. And then you put the name of the app you want it to show on your phone with. So I'm going to put apps. I literally can't. Okay, so then you add it and click done. Oh wait, actually it already shows. So you see, it's right here, apps, and then you can move it wherever you want. You can do it to your whole home screen. And here's the thing with this like photo. So if when you click it, it will like show up widget smith, and then it's going to show to the app. Look, let me show you another example. Settings. It takes like a little while, and then it brings you to the app. See? And if you want to change that, you could just go right here and search it up. Settings. And it's just quicker to go. That's it. That's how you edit your iOS 14 update on your phone. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and subscribe.